is nothing you or anyone can do. This is my nightmare. I've got to get out of it myself, just as I got into it.
First uninvited tech I hear pinging, ringing a cameo from the Hammerstone. Bam, the fantasy brandishing a banana phone. Cramping to the glamper van, vanish off the candy can. Frying pan of fire like a vandal Hannah Montana gold. Fan the flame of animals with access to the roof like Michelangelo about to free a statue from a cube. Hold a can of ruby like a spam masubi. In a blink I turn a block or two to pomegranate smoothie. All state ball of fleas, walk in front of Greyhound and Jay so clean. Even Paul of Thebes came out. Office in the hall of me, I can't even check the mail without a trail of handlers waving around dog treats. Here boy, ace from before the first Star Wars. I survived Action Park, I survived lawn darts. Salsa bar, all stars, buzzing and bitching. I got a seat at the summit for any son of perdition. What's up? All type of shit, all type of shit. Dashing through the atlas, throwing magic at the sciences. I be in the crow's nest most days. I'm ahead a whole mess rotate. All type of shit, all type of shit. Mashing through the mire, the master of my environment. I've been doing laps of the lost world. I could draw a map to the raw nerve. By the bridge, the air is the edge to it. It smells like a burning centra, it tastes like a TENS unit. The tension is extra, extra. The methyl inducer hubris, the hubris produce a weapon for any potential Judas. A newbie can be confused with. It ain't the hood to play who's who in. I mean, you ain't even you in it to who is. I cook into every nook, I'm a snapper, the sewer cap. It's a mile of an even cobble, a map of the booby traps. I've been active around the alleys, beyond with a taxi, beyond with a bustle, bust you with the blood on the classic khakis. A cannonball in the traffic, a fire escape, his trapeze, a lapse in the record when he circled back to tag the Applebee's and procure the appetizer breadsticks. They kill us in the long run, but unite us in the present. A sign of life in the dead ends, even if it's mostly mildew. You ain't get it if you still on that water you getting into. All type of shit, all type of shit. Dashing through the atlas, throwing magic at the sciences. I'll be in the crow's nest most days. I'm ahead a whole mess rotate. All type of shit, all type of shit. Mashing through the mire, the master of my environment. I've been doing laps of the lost world. I can draw a map to the raw nerve. Raw nerve. Raw nerve. Raw nerve. I'm part of what the dour climate bee gets. A people that don't jump at the power that bees behest. Come bounce around a house of flying rejects. We've been eating where upheaval is a feature, not a defect. Tortellini MREs and zero dirty dishes. Only dirty minions yelling over yellow journalism. I got witches and wizards who walk the summer under bridges. Over sun-kissed in the tropics, maybe something's in the liquid. I'm foreign to the comfort of performance for the glory. Every artist part of outrunning an origin story that get them pressed into the corners and connecting the dots in no order. Learn to render any exit I want. It's a hole in the floor, it's a door in the bricks. It's a bike in the alley when you can't warp to the ship. I stuck a fork in myself before you were spores in a dish. The mission only as important as that lore in your lip. Sure shit, all type of shit, all type of shit. Dashing through the atlas, throwing magic at the sciences. I'll be in the crow's nest most days. I'm ahead a whole mess rotate. All type of shit, all type of shit. Mashing through the mire, the master of my environment. I've been doing laps of the lost world. I can draw a map to the raw nerve. We came.
10 feet.
Dude, what do you think of them?
They're mostly on dog mode, molded in pork blow. Foretold, feed them a whole fork load. More bold than old in front of the store where it's more cold. Made more gold probably than all the box of horse sold. Cop, threw some rocks up under the door mold. Fiend picked the lock, squat, shit was a floor closed. Villain. More racks and triple X pornos. One fall through the crack and coming back to get all those. They're lying straight face, stay intact with a long nose. You can't change that,
you know
how the song goes. Thicker than the spinners when dudes was rolling pinners and dirt weed. Vanilla envelopes, tinfoil TV dinners. We're all beginners, touch soil in the winter. Stash box of fresh Tim's, top grill, all glimmers. Shine, glare in your eye if you're trying to fly. Could be your turn to fry if you burn the pie. Bye.
D-O-P-E, and I'm gonna show you how. Don't you do D-O-P-E, and
he's hammered on his tiptoes, no less. And he's hammered.
Session bad
out with the stench of excess hemp. He's on fire, check his temp. I represent like Sean Kemp. Dues paid, no debt left, shop the shrimp. I'm a pacer, mind eraser, money chaser, 7L track lacer. My whole campfire, something like a weed below. And even though your words go unheard like the TMP Negrizio, I gotta cut you short like the 2020 season, bro. Loyalty is second nature like breathing is, but trust could be a bust. See, some allegiances could be deceiving as cleavages. Put them together, real or fake, we'll see how deep it is. How Gigi Hadid it is. I do lead the league in this now. I got the key to this culture like a petri this shit. Then let me speak to this kid who ain't half as hard, living the rap facade. Once all cut the shell and stab at a cat from Prague.
I know.
And he's hammered. On his tiptoes, no less. And he's hammered.
You don't stop. 1, 2 in the place. You don't stop. Doom. You don't stop. 1, 2 in the place. You don't stop.
Every hero needs an action figure. And when it's Czarface, it has to be Super. Super what? Super 7. Be sure to grab the brand new Czarface Reaction Retro figure available at super7.com.
Boom, 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 bang, bang, bang.
My sister, you get it from my bro. All I is man and once an embryo. And my solid goal, I don't cast a glow. Yes, I guess it's reflex, some have no control. I'd rather let her laughter and tally off I go. Canoeing up the river or out into the O. You just know me not, so not play the role. Some in lovey-dovey, I hear crazy crow. Some shake your hand, but this is called the show. I was John Doe, no, I'm Mr. Jollico. Pissed with the witness, and now I adore. O's got the world, cause O's was on tour. Girls gave the O's and guys O for sure. Where they arose, well, nobody knows. What do they mean? Well, here's how it goes. Oh, shoots got the O's when you hold the dough. You know who you are, but they didn't know. And now with respect, they flex like a pro. You're first another nigga, but now an afro. Oodles and oodles and O's and oodles and oodles and oodles of O's. You know, they giving oodles and O's and O's and oodles and oodles and oodles of O's. You know, they giving oodles and O's and O's and oodles and oodles and oodles of O's.
Last of the fast plug pipers at the door. In your eyes burning like rubbing alcohol. Native is the tongue that speaks the guacamole. Kinfolk with platers in stereo. Chant displayed a part of a herd at a show. Pots prints the piece on his jeans of DeVos. But let the herd know if beef they wanna throw. Lunches of punches is what I bestow. Oodles of O's and has my hoes and my checks. O's take the shape of medallions and specs. Don't forget the O's that let the air in my nose. Breathe in the fresh as the stale hit the road. Girls ask for flicks and I'll block the poles. Eat the Al Greens, won't sniff the Kirk blows. Mace got something to say and it goes.
Maceo is rocking on the radio.
Now I think we're talking about the oodles of O's, you know. I think we're talking about the oodles of O's, yeah. We're talking about the oodles of O's, you know. I think we're talking about the oodles of O's. I think we're talking about the oodles of O's, you know. I think we're talking about the oodles of O's, yeah. We're talking about the oodles of O's, you know. I think we're talking about the oh shit. Hoods like to play macho, you know. Guns go and bow, people hit the flow. Don't have a piece but an arrow and bow. Targeted firm, cause I'm here Comanche. Charging barricades like a raging rhino. The donuts come big and some in jumbo. The landlord is finished, but before I go, I give a shout out to Quest and my fellow jungle bro.
Not by the dock of the bay, by the show. Swimming in the rhythm of the hottie hottie ho. Punk Pinocchio's gotta go, gotta go.
What's the reason?
To be cheerful. Season is grease, time to pimp promote. Nuts can overflow if the shade is in the dough. On with me hat, da-da-da-da-da. Dreadlock is heading out the door, y'all. We're selling those, y'all. We're selling those and O's. We're selling those at the